This week I have been testing out the 2025 Hyundai Kona Limited. Now, if you remember last year, I tested out one of these, so we'll be kind of comparing. They haven't really done any changes since the last year, so we'll be kind of comparing and see if this is still the best compact SUV you can buy. MSRP, as tested, is just over $35,000. I'm here with my friend Colton today. He'll be helping me out with the review. He's actually interested in the Hyundai Kona himself. He'll be giving you some inputs as well. We just got some new microphones, so we're testing those out today as well. So let's go ahead and get started. What are your thoughts on the exterior?
Exterior looks very slick.
Yeah.
Headlights in the front end look really good.
Yeah, LED light bar here, LED headlights, LED turn signals all the way around too.
I'm a big fan of the rims.
Yeah.
They look very nice with the car.
I agree. 19-inch wheels, all season tires as well. This is all-wheel drive. Yeah.
And something I was very, and we'll get into this later, but these sensors around the car.
Oh yeah, parking sensors all the way around, front and rear. Very nice for maneuverability. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. Power liftgate. This also does have the smart trunk where you know, it's like hands-free. You have your key fob in your pocket, you walk up to the back of it, after 5 seconds it will open automatically for you. It's pretty handy. Decent sized trunk space in here. I mean, what do you think?
Yeah, very spacious, very spacious.
Fold the rear seats down, 60/40 folding rear seats. Spare tire, which is nice to see. You don't see that too often anymore. The Limited gets these really nice like leatherette seating surfaces. This one has the gray interior. Pretty easy ingress here. Very nice back seat. I'm 6 foot, you are
5'5".
And driver seat's in my position. Passenger seat is in the position that the passenger would be in, and plenty of space back here.
Yeah,
you know?
very spacious.
Yeah.
Very comfortable too.
Yeah, I'm surprised. You know, usually on these cheaper cars, they really tend to like put the bottom of the barrel materials on the back here, and they're actually really plush seats. I would say here for hours.
Oh yeah, like if you're going on a long car trip, like 8 to 10 hours, like I could easily sit back here. Like,
oh yeah,
you're not. It's like you're not sitting straight up. You're leaning back. Very comfortable ride.
Rear vents as well. A couple USB-C ports, map pocket, pull down center armrest with a cup holder. Limited gets a sunroof as well. I mean, really no complaints. I really wish it did have rear heated seats. I remember the Elantra back in the day. The Limiteds had the rear heated seats, but not the end of the world. So under the hood of the 2025 Kona Limited is the same engine as last year's model. The 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. No CVTs in the Limited trims. You can get a CVT with a 2-liter 4-cylinder in the lower trims, but no CVT in this upper trim here, which is really nice. 190 horsepower, 24 city, 29 highway, and 26 combined miles a gallon. So not very fuel efficient compared to some of the other compact SUVs on the market, but overall still pretty good. 0W20 oil, pretty common oil you can find in the stores. Pretty easy access to everything. Your battery's right here, your air filter's right here, your fuse box is over here, coolant's over there, windshield washer fluid. I mean, there's room to work in here. Yeah, not bad at all. Your dipstick, oil dipstick. I know some manufacturers these days are not even including an oil dipstick anymore. So, yeah, overall, not bad. You even get hood struts, which is nice. You don't have the stupid prop rod anymore. Right, let's go ahead and take a look at the front seat. You do get smart key access. Power driver seat with lumbar. That one is manual over there, correct?
Yep.
Okay, yep. Up front here, you're greeted with two 12.3-inch displays. This gauge cluster is fully customizable. There's a bunch of different screens you can go in. This infotainment is super nice too. You do get a 360 reverse cam with the parking sensors that you mentioned, which is very nice for maneuverability. Guidance lines that move with the steering wheel as well. Very responsive, has built-in navigation, Hyundai Pay, vehicle diagnostics. It's even got your manual in here. No connectivity issues with it this week. Every time I start the car, it instantly connects. Dual zone automatic climate control. You have 3 automatic modes here: high, medium, and low. So when you get in the car, you're not just blasted. Down through here, you do get a couple USB-C ports, 12-volt outlet, wireless charger here that works really well. Heated and ventilated seats, very nice to see. These ventilated seats do work pretty nicely. What do you think about them?
I'm a big fan of the vented seats. Ventilated seats, yes.
Heated steering wheel, 2-stage heated steering wheel, 3 drive modes: normal, sport, and snow. Your all-wheel drive lock. Couple cup holders here that can slide out of the way, and a center console. What do you think about that center console? What's your honest opinions on that?
I don't like how it's open.
Yeah, I don't either.
If I'm on a road trip and I just need to store something really quick, like, it's nice to have that little safety net.
Yeah.
To put something in.
Yeah. You get some storage up here. Illuminated glove box as well. Auto dimming rear view mirror with the home link, and illuminated visor mirrors as well. It does have ambient lighting that's customizable at night. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and take this for a spin real quick. Put our seatbelt on and we'll see what this thing is like to drive and see how it compares to the 2024 model. Spoiler alert, it's the exact same.
Yep.
Up there you can see on the gauge cluster, you know, when you turn the turn signal on, it does have the camera blind spot system, which is nice.
And we were talking about the back seat being comfortable. Sitting up here, it is very comfortable as well.
Yeah.
As a passenger, I just feel I fit really well in the seat. I'm a bigger dude, and it's just, I feel like I could sit here like in the back seat for an 8 to 10 hour car ride. No complaints.
Yeah, really no complaints at all. Ventilated seats keeping us cool as well. Plenty of bolstering, plenty of support. One thing I will say right off the bat, there is a pretty decent amount of tipping on the throttle before the vehicle actually starts moving. If you're planning on pulling out in front of somebody, you kind of got to plan ahead a little bit and get on that gas a little sooner than you would anticipate. You do have traffic sign recognition here on the gauge cluster. When you pass, you know, speed limit signs or, you know, stop signs and turn signs, it'll show that on the gauge cluster. It's pretty nice, pretty convenient. Fuel economy this week has been pretty darn good. 29.8 miles a gallon overall with my 291 mile round trip.
I don't know about you, but it sounds very quiet. Like,
oh yeah.
The sound that I'm not getting I'm not getting much sound from the road, and it's a very comfy ride too.
Yeah, exactly right. Yeah, glad you brought that up. That was going to be my next topic. The ride that we're getting on this is actually pretty good considering the rubber band wheels and tires, that combination that's on here. But yeah, over bumps and stuff, not bad at all. Really like the controls here. Everything's pretty much driver focused. I mean, I can, you know, adjust the infotainment without leaning forward. All the climate controls are physical buttons, no hidden thing in the touchscreen at all. When the heated seats and heated steering wheel are physical controls. All my inputs up here are easy to reach.
And as someone coming from like an older car, so like I said before, I drive a 2004 Camry. That's a button style where everything's controlled with a button. That's nice to see right here.
Steering is very light. It's very nimble. There's not a whole lot of feedback. Really no complaints with the Hyundai Kona.
No.
Still, in my opinion, one of the best compact SUVs you can buy. Still stand on a hill like I did last year.
And something you've told me that this car doesn't have, which I'm kind of surprised they don't, is memory positions for the driver's seat.
You're right. Yeah, I totally forgot to cover that. Yeah, I believe the Hyundai Elantra that I reviewed a couple months ago, which is actually cheaper than this, had memory seats here. Hyundai, could you please include that maybe on a mid-cycle refresh? That'd be great.
Yeah, I don't know why they made it white.
Yeah, that silver trim. Yeah,
like, because I'm looking at it and from the sun, it's like I can even tell. Yeah, like as a passenger. Like, there's nothing wrong with making them like a black.
Yeah, maybe black fawn or something like that.
Yeah, black decal, like black color.
Another critique I forgot to cover. This giant, like, beluga whale looking thing in the front. In my opinion, I think it looks nice, but this thing catches a lot of bugs up front. And in this white color, oh my goodness, I would not want to clean that off.
Yeah. I mean, when it comes with a white car, that like the dark bugs, you're going to get that. Yeah. But I totally see where you're coming from.
Yeah. Oh well. All right. Shout out to Hyundai for providing this vehicle for me to film this week. It has been a pleasure. And yeah, please be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the Hyundai Kona and how it stacks up to the competition. Special thanks to Colton Steiner here for coming out and helping me review the vehicle this week. He actually is an author. And if you want to go ahead and check out his book on Amazon, I'll link it in the description below, and I'll put a little thing on the screen as well of his book. It's a really good book, and spent a lot of time working on it. He's working on the sequel now. So
yep, in process.
Yeah.
But yeah, thanks for having me.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll go ahead and see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.